most remarkable items in Maharaja Ranjit Singh's Lahore Darbar was the royal Bangla-e-Nukra, or the silver bangla, his throne on wheels pulled by 8 royal elephants. It was a double-storied marvel that stood at such a great height, a ladder was needed to ascend its first floor. Its walls, arches, pillars, and ceilings were covered with pure silver sheets that were ornamented with the metalworking technique repoussé. A pashmina shawl made the bangla's canopy, and the interiors were adorned with the finest carpets, cushions, curtains, and multicolored chandeliers. Everything was crafted with great care to showcase the grandeur and magnificence of the Lahore Darbar. The silver bangla had an important role in state affairs, its impressive facade persuasive during diplomatic efforts. The Maharaja paraded it every year during the Dussehra festival with great pomp and pageantry. He would be followed by rows of troops riding horses and elephants, armed with glittering weapons, flaunting uniform regalia, and hoisting colorful banners. Through this grand spectacle, Ranjit Singh presented himself not just as a political leader, but as a righteous guardian of his realm, and the shining silver bangla must have acted as monumental proof of his military and economic might. In 1831, the Maharaja took the Bangla to Ropar on the bank of the Sutlej River for a military parade and a meeting with the Governor-General Lord William Bentinck, an important diplomatic event for both parties. In 1837, General Sir Henry Fane, the Commander-in-Chief of the British Indian Army, also was received in the silver bangla by the Maharaja. Ranjit Singh invited foreign delegates into his throne on wheels as an act of hospitality and an opportunity to show off the material splendor of the empire he created. Ranjit Singh died on June 27, 1839. Within a decade of his demise, his territory was annexed by the British, and the Maharaja's possessions were in the hands of the East India Company. Debates over the fate of his 2 thrones continued for 4 years. His golden throne was sent to London as a marker of their conquest, and in 1853, his silver mobile throne was offered for sale to the highest bidder. The bids for the bangla stopped at only 33,000 rupees. Mr. Megh Raj, a loyal member of Ranjit Singh's treasury team and the keeper of the Toshakhana under the British Raj, was disturbed by this underestimation. He passionately let the British know that the bangla had originally cost at least 60,000 rupees to make, approximately 290 million Pakistani rupees today. With this new information, the East India Company decided to collect the sheets of silver on the bangla and turn them into bullion. The remarkable silver bangla was destroyed. While the story of Ranjit Singh's silver bangla holds a profound sense of loss for South Asia, it can continue to live on in our collective memory. Its magnificence and opulence reflected the power of a leader who was able to stabilize the Punjab after decades of anarchy and unrest. Had the British left the silver bangla to Lahore, it would have stood today as a historic beacon of the Maharaja's achievements and of the remarkable heights 19th century South Asian arts achieved under his patronage.